Janelle Asoti, Davao City.
Candidate number 6, Janelle T. Candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6, Janelle T. Janelle T. If you do win the title of Miss World 2015 Philippines, what is the first thing that you will do?
The first thing that I would do is I would help my Beauty with a Purpose project beneficiaries. And I want to share to everyone that we could teach a man how to fish and he or she can eat for a lifetime. And with that, it will last for a lifetime. And these kids that are abused and these women that are abused will have a great life in store of them if I will do that. So they will be the first ones that I would share my prize with so that I could share my happiness and love. Thank you.
There you go, Beauty with a Purpose.
Janelle T.